What if I told you that you don't need thousands of products to build a profitable eBay dropshipping business? One of the biggest reasons successful eBay sellers achieve 30 to 40% profit margins is because they know how to source products directly from AliExpress. But simply searching AliExpress for random products isn't enough. The real advantage comes from knowing what buyers are already looking for on eBay, validating the demand first, and only then sourcing products that match that demand. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 proven product research methods step by step that I personally use to consistently find high profit products with a proven sales history. Okay, so let's get started. We have a nice presentation here for you. Okay, let's start with the basics. So here are 4 reasons to use AliExpress as your supplier. Affordable products, okay? Most AliExpress products come directly from factories or distributors in China, keeping prices very low. So unlike Amazon, where branding, agents, and international shipping increase costs, AliExpress lets you buy closer to the source. It has worldwide reach. Since most products ship from China, you can sell to customers in many countries and expand your market. As a matter of fact, 44% of buyers on eBay are international buyers from outside of the US. And then you have higher margins because lower sourcing costs allow you to offer competitive prices while keeping strong profits. A common target is around 30% profit margin, although many drop shippers achieve even more. Another thing is that it's drop shipper friendly, okay? Very drop shipper friendly. AliExpress supports major payment methods, sometimes including PayPal, and most sellers provide tracking numbers. It also offers simple returns and millions of affordable products. So, my friend, these advantages make AliExpress one of the best suppliers platforms for dropshippers today, okay? So now let's start with what I believe is the most strategic way to find winning products from AliExpress to eBay. By first understanding what the market actually wants and then sourcing products that match that demand, okay? So for this, I'm going to use the product research tool right here, okay? And before we begin, we just need to change a few settings to make sure that we are only getting products that are relevant for AliExpress to eBay dropshipping. So first, I'm going to click here on quick settings, and then I'm going to set the source website to AliExpress and save settings, okay? And then inside the product research tool, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the shipping location is also set to China, okay? Now we are ready. And the idea behind the product research tool is quite simple. So instead of just searching for random products, it helps you understand whether a niche has a strong demand on eBay, and if it does, which products are performing the best inside that niche, all right? If you already have a niche that's working well for your store, you can simply type it right here in the search bar, and that's it. Or if there's a niche that you are curious about, you can analyze it before investing your time. And if you don't have a niche in mind, you can just simply choose one from the list. So let's do that. Let's use men's watches as an example. So I'm going to select it and then I'm going to click search, okay? Look, now I can immediately see whether this niche has a healthy demand on eBay. Looking at the data here, I can see that it's generating solid revenue. The average selling price is around $29.32. And that's very important because a higher average selling price gives us much more room to source products from AliExpress while still maintaining a healthy profit margin. And also, I see there's no one major competitor that is controlling the whole niche, okay, following the market share analysis here. Now comes my favorite part. Once I've confirmed that the niche is worth exploring, then I move down to the top product section right here. Now, instead of just looking at one listing, I review the top 20 products and then I ask myself one simple question. What do these best-selling products have in common? And after looking through them, I notice a clear pattern. Most of the top-selling watches have a dark watch face, okay? They are not digital watches. They have a brown leather or leather look strap. This information that I just gave you is incredibly valuable because we've just confirmed that this niche has demand, and more importantly, we've identified exactly what eBay buyers prefer within this niche. So now we can source products much more strategically. So instead of just, searching for men's watch, I'm going to search for something much more specific, like, for example, dark men's watch with brown leather strap. And let's head over to AliExpress. And then I'm just going to paste that to the AliExpress search and sort out the results by best match, since those products usually have a good customer reviews and strong order history, both of which are very important when choosing products for your eBay store. So let's just look at this one right here. So look, this one is exactly what we're looking for, okay? It has a dark watch face, a brown leather lug strap, and it matches the style that's already selling well on eBay. Now, look at the price, only $5.95. And on top of that, it has excellent customer reviews, which gives me even more confidence in this product. Now, let's just do a quick math right here. So if you sell this watch for $25, which is actually below the average selling price in this niche, we'll still make around $15 profit per sale after eBay fees. And remember, that's while pricing below the average market price, making our offer even more competitive, right? It's just logic. Now, I wouldn't stop with just one product. Like, I would use the insights that we've gained from this niche, and I would find like 3 or 4 more watches that match the same winning characteristics. Because that way, instead of just betting in like one single product, I'm increasing my chances of success by offering multiple products that already fit what buyers in this niche are looking for. Before we move on to the automated way of finding winning AliExpress dropshipping products, if you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate if you could just take 2 seconds to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to use the same tools that I'm using right now in this video to find winning products, you can start using Zik Analytics today. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Comment in any of my videos and I'll get back to you. All right? Okay, so we've just covered a semi-manual product research strategy, which, by the way, is one of my favorite methods because it consistently gives me great results, especially when I add several products from the same winning niche. Now, I want to show something else. I want to show you a much more automated way to find high profit products that are already selling well on eBay and also can be sourced from AliExpress. So for this, I'm going to use the Product Explorer tool. What I like about the Product Explorer is that it allows me to search for products using very specific filters, making it much more easier to find exactly the type of products that I'm looking for. So here are the filters that I usually use when searching for AliExpress products. So the shipping location, I put China, okay? The sales date range, I put past 7 days, okay? Minimum sales, 2 days. The supplier website, aliexpress.com. And once everything is set, I'll simply click search. So now I'll browse through the results, okay, and open the products that catch my attention. So this one right here. So it's the men's summer outfit 2-piece set. Includes a short sleeve shirt and matching shorts. So I can immediately see that it sold 4 times during the past 7 days, which is a very strong signal that this product has consistent demand. And if I open the eBay listings, I can also see that it has sold 167 times overall, giving me an even more confidence that this is a proven winning product. Now, let's just see if we can actually source it. I'll simply click here the AliExpress icon, like this, and let it load. And Zik automatically finds matching products for me. So let's just open this supplier right here. Okay, perfect. All right, this is the exact same product available in multiple sizes. And even, look, and it costs only $9.68 with free shipping. And the eBay selling price is $18.87, okay? Which leaves me an estimated profit of around $6.50 per sale after eBay fees. So now let's just look at another example. So here's a gold bracelet. Look at that. And I can see that it sold 3 times during the past 7 days, okay, on eBay for $15.87. So let's just see if we can source it from AliExpress. Again, click here. I'm just going to click here in the AliExpress icon. And look at that. Look, I'm going to open this supplier right here. And here it is. Easy, easy. The exact same bracelet costs only $6.17 with free shipping. So that leaves an estimated profit of around $7 per sale after eBay fees, giving us a healthy profit margin of above 30%. all right? Now, that's exactly why I like using the Product Explorer, because look, in just a few minutes, we found 2 profitable products that already have been proven demand on eBay and can be sourced from AliExpress with excellent profit margins. Look, this is how I recommend finding winning products in AliExpress for your eBay dropshipping business, okay? So instead of just guessing what might sell, just start with real market data. Because if you make product research part of your daily routine, you will gradually build a catalog of high-margin products that can generate consistent sales and long-term growth, okay? And if you like to use the same tools here that I demonstrated, you know what to do. Just start Zik Analytics trial today using the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and join our community of over 100,000 e-commerce entrepreneurs learning how to grow their businesses. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.